Dream. That's a powerful word. You will get knocked down many times chasing your dreams. You will feel like you don't have the energy to get back up. You don't have the strength to get back up. You will feel like giving up is the only option. When you're hit, when you have been knocked down by life, that's when it's time to hit back. That's when it's time to hit back. Many people get hit by life, but they never hit back. Are you going to stay down? Or are you going to decide to get back up? It takes courage, it takes confidence, it takes a strong mindset to get up back when nobody believes in you. There is a lion inside all of us, but some people decide to never let that lion out. Many people keep that lion locked inside the cages. Are you hungry for the dream? Or are you willing to fight for the dream? Let the lion out. Get hungry for your dream. Go hunt your dream. Talking about that dream won't take you far. Working will. Doubters will tell you to be realistic. Haters will tell you to quit. You are the only one who can go and get it. It's your dream. No one will chase it for you. No one will hunt it for you. No one will support your dreams but you. There is a quote that goes, everyone wants to eat, but few are willing to hunt. Everyone wants to succeed, but few are willing to put in work required. Stop limiting yourself. You can make your dream into a reality. But it will only take one person to believe that it's possible. It will only take one person to take it's possible. That person is you. There is plenty of humans before you who have accomplished big things, who are already living their dream life. You have done it. That is proof you can too. It is proof that you can live your dream if you really want it. You are the most dangerous enemy to your dreams because only you can decide when to quit and when to give up on your dreams. Only you can decide when to kill these dreams. You are more powerful than you know. You can change the world with your dreams, but it only requires you to get out of your comfort zone and unleash your inner lion. It requires you to let that lion out its cage. It requires you to stage your dreams and no matter what. If you have a weak mindset, if you're afraid of taking risks, you will never get far in life. You will never get the dream with a weak mindset. Create a mindset that keeps you moving even when others are quitting. Life is unpredictable. It's full of surprises. You might be closer than you think. Your dreams can become a reality if you refuse to quit. Be like a lion, never back down from the challenges you face. A lion never stops chasing its prey until it catches it. You never stop chasing your dreams until you live in it. Dream big and never let small mind convince you that your dream is out of reach. It might be out of reach for them but not for you. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.